Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am attempting to do a full face of makeup in under 5 minutes. I am going to keep it pretty realistic, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I do very minimal makeup looks anyway, so it's not going to be super challenging, I don't think. Well, I hope not for me. I'm not going to do like lashes and try to fit in a winged liner and all that sort of stuff. As boring as it sounds, I wanted it to be kind of realistic for if you are literally in a hurry and running out the door. So I'm going to put my timer on and just see what happens. I have picked out some products here that I would tend to sort of use every day, and I'm just going to throw it all on and see how long it takes me. So fingers crossed I can do it in under 5 minutes. Okay, so I have my stopwatch here and we're just going to go for it. Here we go. Okay, so if you're anything like me, you will be in a hurry every single day of your life. I am an optimist and I always think I have way more time than I do. Some people think that's really rude, but I just try to fit so much into my day. Anyway, I'm wasting time now. So again, being optimistic. So I'm starting out with the Mav Bio Active Primer. I think when you are in a hurry and you can only sort of choose a few things to focus on with your makeup, probably the best thing to focus on is your skin and just making your skin look as nice as possible and as flawless as possible, because it doesn't matter how much you focus on your eyeshadow and how well your blending is. If your skin looks terrible and you've done it in a hurry, then it's not going to look very good at all. So I'm just putting that all over my face just to give me a nice base. I'm having some major breakouts at the moment. Not cool. Oh my god, this is actually harder than it looks. Okay. I need to move it. I'm going in with the Vapour Atmosphere Luminous Foundation and the Vapour Illusionist Concealer. So I'll put the colours in the description box down below because I ain't got time to tell you guys what I'm using properly. So I love using these because I will show you why. So I'm just going in with the foundation and basically swiping that all over my face and just under the neck as well. Then I go in with the concealer and I put that where I want it. So middle of my forehead, I'll just do a little triangle thing. And then I've got a pimple there too, and just on my lip. So now, okay. So now I'm going in with a brush and just blending that all in. So this way, if you apply the product to your face first, then you don't have to, what am I talking about? If you apply the concealer and the foundation in one go, then it all blends in together and you don't need to worry about you know, applying one product and then applying another product over the top, and it all blends in nicely. Okay, moving right along. I am taking the Nude by Nature Mineral Finishing Veil. Where's my brush? Oh my god, I've got a minute left. Holy crap. Okay. Mineral Finishing Veil under the eyes, T-zone, blemish. Okay, now I'm going in with this Nude by Nature bronzer. Get off me. Okay, and highlighter. Oh, sorry, this is RMS Beauty highlighter. And we have now hit the 5-minute mark. No. So that's 5 minutes. I failed. So this is as far as I got. But if you were in a really big hurry and you just needed to run out the door, I've managed to put primer, foundation, concealer, bronzer and highlighter on. So I don't think that is a bad effort for 5 minutes. So I wanted to do the rest of my makeup, so I'm just going to do it anyway. So I failed the challenge, okay? I failed. Maybe I could say makeup in under 10 minutes. I'm going to start the timer again, and this is option 1. Under 5 minutes, so just your base sort of products and making your skin look nice and looking presentable. And maybe I might start the clock again and see how far I can get in under 10 minutes. So let's try that. So I'm going to start the clock again and see how quickly I can wrap this makeup look up. Let's go. Okay, what the hell am I doing? What am I up to? I might do my brows. I'll do my brows next. I'm taking the Inika Dark Brunette Organic Brow Pencil. Very convenient. It has a spoolie on the end as well. So I'm just going to fill in any gaps. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. I'm pretty lucky because my eyebrows are quite bushy as it is. So I'm just touching them up a little bit. This one's a bit of a problem child and it's really gappy up the top here at the arch. There's always one. Always one. I'd love to know if you guys have done this challenge before and how quickly you can do your makeup. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. Give them a little brush through again. Now I'm going to, I'm literally throwing things on my bed. I'm like, pew. Taking this Australis, Australis Extender Lash and Brow Gel. You can see it looks pretty gross because I have been using it over the top of brow products. So it ain't clear anymore. No, it's like a dirty brown color. So this will add some volume and also just keep my brows in place for the day. This product is not organic, but I believe it is vegan and cruelty free. Moving on to lashes, I'm taking the Inika Long Lash Mascara. I forgot to curl my lashes. Damn it. And just a little bit on the lower lash line. I just have no way of looking cute when I do my makeup. Oh, I've got mascara on my skin area. What's it called? Under my eye. How good is this mascara? It's so good. For lips, I'm going in with the Eye of Horus Bio Goddess Lipstick in the colour Peach. Oh, I've missed using peachy sort of products. Spring is coming and I cannot wait. Okay, stop the clock. Stop. Okay, yay. Yay, I did it in under 10 minutes. So we got 9:32. That's pretty good for a fairly full face of makeup. I haven't really skipped anything as such, so pretty happy with that actually. But yeah, I'd love to hear from you guys if you can do your makeup faster than me. You probably can because I talk a lot and I'm sitting in front of a camera. So if I was not in front of the camera and wasn't talking, I am fairly positive that I could get there in around the 5-minute mark. But, you know, I'm really happy with how this turned out anyway. I love this lip color so much. Love this mascara. And I just think these two, if you are in a hurry, using cream or liquid products are so much quicker because you can just mix them all together and then blend them out. And as long as you don't have any, you know, defined, oh, you can see where that starts and that stops, I think they're so easy to use. I really hope that you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!